gonna talk about the Vex Robotics Competition new game. Here we have Mr. Rivera.
Hi, Silvia.
He is the CEO of the Engineer and Design Department of Vex. Hi, could you tell me something about this new game?
Of course, Silvia. This game consists to have 4 robots like ever, and there are 2 teams, blue team and red team. They have to put the Pokeballs into 2 cylinders. There are blue Pokeballs and red Pokeballs, and we have also a large Pokeballs in the different color. So you have to put the Pokeballs into the cylinder, and when you finish it, you have to put the large ball into the top of the cylinder. You have 3 zones of 3 different points. So when the game is ending, each robot have to carry a large ball itself and have to hang out in an arc, that design of the Vex Robotics company.
And the robots? Who designed the robots?
That's an easy answer. Students have to create their robot with unique ideas and a lot of hard work to do the best of them. For example, we have a lot of awards called like design and excellence, that are awards that people can receive because of their hard work and the teamwork, because what we like is teamwork, not a work by only one person, but a lot of work of a big team.
I know that the NASA helps you with these things of the competition and the money of this. Why?
Because NASA, we have working together since the company began to exist. And NASA likes the people to improve, to create, to dream about what they have to do. And they think about that maybe this robotics thing could improve into the tomorrow engineers, tomorrow designers, that maybe they could.
Hi, now we are with the co-creator of the Vex company.
Hi, what do you want to know? Tell me.
I want to know more about this new game.
Okay, first I'm going to say that the name of the new game is Toes Up. Continue with Oscar's explanation. I'm going to explain the scores about the game. We have a middle zone and a goal zone. If you have points in the middle zone, it doesn't matter if it's Pokeballs or large balls, all the objects have 1 point. If you have the goal zone, the Pokeball have 2 points and the large ball have 3 points. If you put it like inside of it's like a basket. If you put it inside, the Pokeball has 3 points and the large ball, if you put upside the basket, have. If you know, the robot have to hang up like an arc, and if you put it in the low height, you can have 5 points. If you have with a large ball inside, you have 10 points. If you put it in the large height, you have 10 points, and if you have with a ball, you have 20 points. That is like the most number of points you can have. The purpose of the game is that the team that have more points win.
And how is the field?
Okay, the field have 2 mirrors for 2 mirrors, and it consists in that you create. Well, it competes 2 alliances. Each alliance have 2 teams. That it's possible that one is from Colombia and the other is from United States. But they 2 teams compete to win with the other 2 teams. That is the alliance. And that is, we compete like alliance, no teams only.
I know that in the game we have a quali round and an eliminatory round. There is robin round, yeah. But I don't know how can I do this alliance. Can you tell me more about this?
Okay, first in the quali round, the alliances is with random. You can decide what team is going to be your alliance. But next, when you pass to the eliminatory round, the first 8 teams can decide each alliances. You have created alliances of 3 teams, and the robin round is only like a system that you have to compete all the teams with all the teams and then when the teams that have more points, they are going to pass to the finals.
Oscar told me before that NASA helped you in this works. Which
Sponsors.
sponsor you have?
Okay, we have a lot of sponsors, but we have like a big sponsor that NASA, Autodesk, and the Rec Foundation. I think Oscar explained you the NASA. I'm going to explain Autodesk and Rec Foundation. Rec Foundation is a company that created with VEX at the same time, and is the provider of all the tournaments in all the world that we have of VEX. And they are like our team partner in VEX.
Yes.
Okay, and the final is Autodesk, that is like a program for computer, and with that program you can create robots and design your own robot with the software, and with that you can play in the online challenges we have in the VEX page, and that is like the most important.
Thank you, Mr. Jaramillo, to be with us today. And
Thank you.
I wish you.
okay, and I wish you that you have éxito.